Welcome back, travel fans and trip planners. Dreaming of turquoise waters, ancient ruins, and adventures beyond the resort? In this video, we're diving into 3 tours in Cancun, Mexico that are absolutely worth your time and money. From breathtaking natural wonders to unforgettable cultural experiences, these hand-picked excursions will show you the side of Cancun you won't want to miss. Whether you're here for relaxation, history, or pure adventure, we've got you covered. So let's get lost in Cancun! Imagine leaving your resort and stepping into the hidden world carved by nature itself. The Cenote Tour takes you deep into the Yucatán jungle, where freshwater pools formed in underground caves await. These natural sinkholes are sacred to Mayan culture. The tour starts off with some tequila tasting. This is some of the best tequila in the world. On the tour, you'll descend into cool limestone caves where beams of sunlight pierce through the water, creating a magical glow. Some cenotes are open, surrounded by lush greenery, perfect for swimming, while others are enclosed caves. If you want to swim in the cenotes, you will need to rent a life jacket, which is around $6 USD per person. After swimming, you'll usually get a traditional Mayan lunch, giving you cultural flavor and authentic cuisine. The lunch we had was really good. The tour was refreshing, adventurous, and deeply memorable. An experience that connects you with natural and spiritual side of Mexico that most tourists never see. When you visit Chichen Itza, you're stepping straight into one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Just a couple of hours from Cancun, this tour takes you into the heart of Mayan culture and history. The highlight is the massive pyramid, which rises majestically from the ancient plaza. As you walk through the archaeological site, you'll discover the sacred temples and intricate stone carvings that tell stories of Mayan astronomy, rituals, and daily life. Guides often share fascinating insights about how the Mayans built their structures to align with the sun and stars. Especially during the equinox, when the shadow of a serpent appears to slither down the pyramid. The site itself is vast, so expect a lot of walking. Most tours balance the history with cultural experience, like visiting a local village. It's not just sightseeing, it's a journey back into time that leaves you in awe of how advanced the Mayan civilization truly was. Some tours combine Chichen Itza with a cenote visit. This is the best way to do it because you're visiting 2 amazing spots in one trip. The cost for this tour was around $85 USD per person, plus an additional $40 USD for the admission fee at Chichen Itza. This is paid separately to the tour guide. This price includes both the cenotes and the Chichen Itza for a full day tour. If you're looking for pure adventure, the speedboat tour in Cancun is a must. These tours usually start from the hotel zone, where you'll hop onto your own 2-person speedboat and follow your guide through mangrove channels and open stretches of water. The thrill comes from being the driver, where you get to push the throttle, skim across the waves, and feel the wind whip through your hair as you zip through the stunning Caribbean Sea. This tour includes a stop at the reef for snorkeling. It's a perfect balance of high-speed adventure and laid-back exploration. Between the rush of steering your own boat and the peaceful pause at the reef, this tour gives you both excitement and unforgettable views of Cancun's natural beauty. The cost of this tour was about $80 USD per person. When visiting Cancun, don't forget to check out the cenotes Chichen Itza, and the speedboat tour. They were an awesome break from the resort. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, let's go and get lost.